Hey everybody, it's stykz 1992, or as you know me as Richie from Find Soils channel. Today we're going to be doing the fourth part of the stykz series. Sorry it took so long. I had to reformat my computer, do some other stuff, get Windows 7 and everything. This is just my little theme here for Mac. It's Rocket Dock with the background of my Windows start bars up here. Anyways, so we're going to start by opening stykz, and I have my characters I used for the last time, the Ninja and Link. I know some people requested, can I put up my sprites I use? I don't actually use sprites. I use download update. Remind me later. I'll get that later. I use homemade. They're not really sprites. They're just like homemade ones I made. I don't know what sword it was he wanted. What sword done? Same thing. So I'll be putting these up somewhere. I'll put a link in the description. So let's just get our guys out here where we need them. We'll go bye bye. What's wrong? Delete. Bring this guy over here. So let's just get. Where does he think? Oh, I should try to make this guy. We also made a ninja. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add our ninja. He doesn't have the eyes. He's not the one with the eyes. We need a ground. Just add all your characters in the way you want them to be. Making my ground detailed out here. That didn't work. There we go, ground detail. I'm just gonna put link on the ground. Remember, you can always arrange them like I showed you. Arrange, send it back. It's always gonna be in the farthest back. Bring your sword down here. Bring your ninja down here. Alright, so now you got your guys. Now basically animation is pretty simple. Move them, click a frame, move them, click a frame. It's, you know, you gotta move them small amounts in increments, otherwise it'll look all choppy. So now, here we go. Say we start like, put his arm down here. He's all like, on guard, you know? And this guy's all like, you know? I like to make noises when I do this stuff, I don't know why. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get these guys in their poses. Now to get to the next frame, we can either click next frame, or we can click enter. And there you go, you got a new frame. Now watch what happens when I move him. There's like an outline of his old arm. That's called onion skinning. We went over that last time, I believe. It's been a while. So we're just gonna move everything down. And make him stab his sword into the ground. Now you're wondering how can you do that if the sword's gonna just stick out of the ground. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. There's another technique here. So I'm just gonna go enter. And we can flip his sword down. That's probably too far to move. Just do that really fast. Another thing you do is you hold it and drag, and as you drag, you can enter. So create frames as you're dragging. I'm not letting go of the mouse button, I'm just flicking enter. Now here's where we want a sword to go into the ground. The next, actually probably should have done that a while ago. So let's go back up to here. Right here, and we want the sword to go into the ground right here. So let's just delete this frame. Right click, delete. So now we got this one and we got this one. So let's go to this one. We want the sword to be in the ground. We're going to click on our line tool. We're going to draw a line here, right about where we want it to be in the ground, right about where his feet are. Line down and draw a line. Yeah, shut up. Oh, come on. I don't like my new computer, the mouse is a little sensitive. Oh, there's my cat. There's a meowing here in the background. So now we're just going to go to the white mouse tool. Remember I told you that's the one that lets you select each individual line. Select this one, do hidden, hidden, hidden. Then go to your polygon fill tool. And just click here. Oh my god. Click here. Click here. Click there. Then click here. And you want to fill that with white, because that's our background right now. So we're going to fill with white. Now go back, because I just realized I did something wrong. I'm going to go back to these right here. Shift select. Make them static, so that they can't be moved. So now if you were to look, So yeah. Now if you look, it looks like a sword kind of goes into the ground. Watch. If you watch this, and it goes shing. It's in the ground now. It moved rotation a little bit, went into the ground. So now we're gonna leave that there. Next frame. We're just gonna put his arm down. I move the by arm. Okay, I'm just gonna keep hitting enter because I don't have to keep going back and forth. Kind of like he's forfeiting the match. Like Link would never do that, but you know. Well, I'm not a fan of Zelda and all that crap. Did I play it? Sorry. I'm not a fan of Zelda. I play it, but you know, I don't think he forfeit anything ever. Kind of a tough guy. Doesn't even talk. All right, so let's just let's preview that. There you go. He drops into the ground. So we'll play it again. There it goes. It's in the ground. You can't see the end. That's a nice little animation. You know, it's a simple little thing using your two characters. Now I will be posting them on something. I'll probably use I mean, you give me a preference here. I could change it later and edit it. If you give me a preference as to where you want me to post it, maybe on a mega upload, I think I could do. I don't have an account though. I wonder if I can do it somewhere else. I don't know. I'll try to figure it out. So I'll just get these on there. I have a couple of them I'll put on there probably. I'll probably put the katana, Link's sword, Link. You know. So I'll just go ahead and do that. See you guys later. This has been TLH Rocks. Sadly, it's not doing those 4 fine tutorials, but let's play it about his channel. Sadly, I can't get a hold of him right now. He's off doing something, so whatever. I'll see you guys later.